Hi everyone and welcome to NameHero.com's Managed Cloud Hosting. Right now I want to demonstrate just how quick and easy it is to get set up on our platform. Now really quick, the good thing about cloud hosting, you don't have to worry about building a dedicated server and then upgrading as you grow and having to order new hardware and configure everything. The cloud takes all that away. We have multiple resources, multiple servers that make up our cloud. Our system engineers have configured and developed everything, so all you have to do is sign up your account and get your site online. We handle all the configuration, all the security hardening, all the operating system setup and everything. So all you have to do is sign up for a package and then you can get online. This is perfect for those of you that need a lot of resources. Those of you that maybe use Zenforo, vBulletin, WordPress, anyone that needs a lot of resources that are going to be reaching a lot of people or have a business or enterprise website, that is perfect for the NameHero cloud. And that's why we built our cloud, to help you be able to scale your business to that next level without worrying about server management, software hardening, and all that stuff that's complicated. We want you to spend time running your business, and we'll go ahead and create the infrastructure you need. So for this demonstration, I'm going to show how to set up our agency account. Our agency account allows you to host unlimited websites as long as you stay within our space allocation and bandwidth allocation. Each one of our cloud packages has Cloudflare with Railgun enabled, and that basically turbocharges your website. Now that alone is a $200 a month value, but you're getting that included at NameHero at no additional charge. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to click on Deploy. As soon as you do that, you just have to define one of the domains that's going to be on your account. Now this is typically your base domain, the main domain you're going to be using. So for this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and use namehero.org. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and make the payment here, and then we'll proceed. After we've finished our payment and we're all set up, we can see the service that's active inside our client area. Now the cool thing about NameHero.com is everything is instant. As soon as you make your payment, your account's set up and you're ready to go. Alright, so the first thing we need to do though is make sure we change the name servers for our domain. So we're going to go over here. Now this domain was registered obviously through us here at NameHero. If your domain's registered somewhere else, then you just have to make sure you change the name servers. So you want to change these to ns1.namehero.net and ns2.namehero.net. This may be different depending on the server that you sign up with, but we'll let you know in your email what to change those to. But as soon as those change, then you're about ready to go. So then you can start managing your site by going into here and clicking on Login to WHM. Okay, this is Web Host Manager. This is your central control panel where you're going to add all of your websites that you're going to be hosting. Now, if you click List Accounts here, you can see the current accounts that are on your cloud server. Now we can see namehero.org. It's ready to go. So it's already been set up and you've got your username here, and then the password is back in here for FTP. So you could go ahead and FTP for the namehero.org site and start building it. Now, if you're familiar with cPanel, which I know a lot of web hosts have used over the years, that comes in Web Host Manager. Web Host Manager and cPanel are the same. So you would just click cPanel right here, and you just give it a second to redirect. And now you can see we're inside of cPanel for namehero.org. So immediately we can start managing the domain. We've got our file manager, and we can manage anything from that extent. We can go down here. We've got our phpMyAdmin, all our database management. You can see that Cloudflare has already been set up and installed for you. All you need to do is put your email in here to set up an account on their end and agree to the terms, and then you can activate it on your domain. Cloudflare adds another layer of security to your site, as well as that railgun that we talked about at the beginning of the video. If we click Home here, we can scroll down to the bottom, and we can see that we have our apps installer. Now this is awesome for those of you that want to run WordPress or another piece of software it may take time to install. Our apps installer here will do this in just a second. So you can actually click install and you can set up WordPress with just a click of a mouse. After you go through these options and click install, then your blog's ready to go, and you can even give it a theme. Now this is great for agencies that may have multiple sites across multiple topics. Literally in 5 minutes you can have this up and going. For our friends out there that are marketers, there is a lot of pieces of software for you on here. One being Prosper 202. This is a tracking application to help track your advertisements. You can once again go to install, and you can install this in just one click as well. Finally, I want to mention the Revive ad server. This is another big one. If you are a marketer, an advertiser, and you need an ad server, this is 100% free and open source, and it can also be installed in just a moment. Now, the cool thing about the NameHero.com cloud is we're optimized for this software, for these pieces of software. That's the good thing about us being on the cloud, is we are for high performance applications. You don't have to worry about getting a dedicated server or a VPS server and then upgrading. We've got all that covered for you. So you sign up and get started, and you're ready to go. So once again, I'm just going to go back over to here. If I want to add another domain to my account, now remember this account here has unlimited. We can go back over here. You can host unlimited sites. So to set up another domain, all we have to do is simply add a package, and we can just call this package basic, whatever you want to call it. We can set all this stuff here. Now for unlimited, we need to actually set these just to 999. Now this is still going to be limited to your resources on your account, 150 gigabytes total and 2,000 terabytes a month of bandwidth. It's unlikely you'll ever reach that bandwidth unless you're just pushing a ton of traffic. But the storage, we can always upgrade that as you move along. But normally when I've set up additional sites, I just set these to 9s because it's based on a whole account limit, not just each site. So that keeps things simple. So go down here, and we can assign it dedicated if we want. We're not going to for this demonstration. So we're going to click Add. Now we could create a new account. Now, so right here we could go in. Let's see, NameHero.net might work here. And then we just choose our package, basic, and that just tells it all the options that we have for it. Then we click Create. And that's all there is to it. And now NameHero.net is on there. And we can click on List here, and you can easily see that NameHero.net is now on here, and you can click here and go to that cPanel. So everything is right in here, and it makes it super simple. Now, if you need to check on your resources, when you go to create a new account, you can scroll down, and you can see your allocation limits are right here. So that helps you know what you're using, what you're not using, and all that good stuff. So that's pretty much it. That's how quick and easy it is to get on the NameHero.com cloud. Like I said, it's not complicated. You don't have to worry about any backing up or anything. We handle all of that stuff for you. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, anything, feel free to either comment on this video or our blog posts, or feel free just to shoot us a message, and we'd be more than willing to help you out. But again, this solution, our cloud solution, is perfect for those of you that want to host a high traffic blog, a high traffic forum, or an ad server, or something to that extent. So thanks a bunch for watching. We look very forward to serving you and helping you grow your business.